You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word, another of those words coming from French. I believe if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned, and it's another word that has a silent letter. The pronunciation is as succumb, meaning essentially to die or to fail, essentially to eventually fail. Succumb. The B is at the end is silent. Succumb. So do not say succumb. No. Sa, a schwa sound. Come. Succumb. It's easy, pretty straightforward once you know succumb, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.